Alright guys, yesterday I only filmed a little bit while in the box coming out here. So today is Sunday, um, January 28th, and they're inside the coop. So they will be staying here for maybe a few weeks before they get outside because it's too cold. So this guy will be exactly 3 weeks tomorrow, but I come at day one on the day that they hatch. So today, basically day 21 for them. And I think they're doing good in here. It's not really cold in here. It feels like 60 in here. If they go underneath the lights, I think might feel maybe 65, 70. I'm not sure. But I did put a lot of straw in here, or haze, whatever you want to call. This guy is from the same eggs of same mom as those black one, right, little black one there. But this guy came out on the 28th of December, so he is pretty much almost 2 weeks older than this guy. And he's always on the side with them. I never film him or her. I didn't check. It would be a surprise. Somehow this guy's really big compared to that one. When that guy was small like them, they look exactly like this guy, black with a little white on the side. But yeah, this guy's only like a week and maybe 3-4 days older than them. This guy's a giant. When I remember when this guy was like 3 weeks like this guy. This guy's already big. This guy's actually smaller than that guy. I might think that might be a girl due to the feather looks kind of look like the mom, Khaki Campbell. You can see all that yellow spot lining the back and the front. I know you're not supposed to put water in a coop because they dump in water like this. It's bad for a coop, but it's cold, so I'll deal with it. I'll clean up as much as possible. Yeah, they start dipping water like this. This is not good. It's gonna wet the floor, but I make sure that this part right here doesn't have a lot of other stuff. Besides this side, this side's where all the haze and stuff like that, so they stay warm over here and dry. Over here might be a little wet, but I'll deal with it. Where you going? Yeah, so this one is only a little bit over 4 weeks, I think. Yeah, like I said, December 28th, this guy hatched. But this guy it's a giant. Because the Khaki Campbell, they're hatched on the 8th of January. So that 3 weeks, exactly 3 weeks tomorrow. Hey, stop dumping water. Hey, this guy. Yeah, I know better not to pour water in the coop, but it's just cold. I don't want them to go outside and freeze. So I guess I have to deal with this for a few weeks. Alright guys, I just want to get an update on day 21. So another thing I'd like to talk about it is after tomorrow, after day 22, I will not film this guy any more on every day. I will film this guy once a week. So I probably film these guy with the Muscovy the same time every week because they're hatch on a Monday, so they'd be very identical. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. I just show you guys that they're out here, they're safe, they're not in the cold. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 22, and then after that we'll do the weekly instead of the daily.